this is Astrid, Kanen Coffee, and I have this ECM here. So this machine came in for a tune-up and a flow control installation. So I'm just going to do a quick test to show you that the machine is working. Before I do that, I'll just show you, this is the screen and gasket that I replaced on the machine. And here's the old mushroom valve. I descaled the machine, backflushed it, cleaned the steam wand, just wiped down the whole machine. So here you can see flow control. Now let's try it with some coffee. This is fully open. Just stop the shot there. Alright, I've got a nice layer of crema there. I'll show you that steam, just so you know everything is working. Nice strong steam, and let's do the hot water. There you go. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button.